Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go over the two functions read and write from channel. And the way we're gonna do it is we've done here a couple of times through the script. Like you could see this is the same example connecting through the jump host and then from the jump host connected to the device. And we've used the read and write channel. In the video of the IS upgrade where we were copying to the devices, we used the sendTiming command. But this is pretty similar. So I would like to do something more interesting. So what I want to do is, you remember the sendTiming, it keeps on looking at the output every 0.1 second and check if there's any more output. It will print it. If no, it will wait for the last read, and if the last read doesn't have any more output, it will print the output. If not, it will go back into the loop. So I thought we could use the read and write channel just to recreate our own sendTiming command, just so you could understand it more, and we could do also the send command function. All right. So I'm gonna import those because those are gonna be the same, and let's just do just to check we have the connection. All right. Okay, we have the prompt. Perfect. Okay. So as I said, the read channel and write channel just exactly does what it does. Just read from whatever is available in the channel and write whatever is available in the channel. Doesn't do any. It doesn't wait for the prompt. It doesn't wait for the timers. Nothing. All right. So let's. So we said we're gonna do the send command timing, but this is our own function where we're gonna provide the actual Netmiko session and the command. So first what we will do is write channel, sorry. Right. The thing with this is that it doesn't provide a new line, so you have to put it yourself. Okay. So time.sleep. Right, so it's waiting 0.1 seconds, like we say every time, and then and let's have fun with it. You know, let's let's. I know it's gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not the proper way of doing it, but just to see if it's working. Yeah, let's print out. Let's see if it worked. Alright, so this command doesn't take long to execute, but if we're doing like something more, I think the show run, I don't know if it's gonna break or not. You need to be in privilege mode. Alright, let's run it. Actually, it ran. So let's do the show tech. Show tech is huge, it shouldn't. Alright, so we barely got the show version, which makes sense. Alright. So the way we're gonna do it, we said we're gonna loop through it while we have outputs. Okay. So just execute. And also here we need to have just final output, which is a string. And return final out. Now the thing is, I'm hoping with the show tag we shouldn't have the whole output since it is it didn't return anything. Oh, you know what? Because it actually went and it got this, checked another, waited another 0.1 seconds, no more output, and it printed to the session to us. So what we need to do here is just create another else condition, right? So all right. So and here the last read, let's make it 2 seconds, okay? I want it to break, so let's make it 0.5 seconds. Hoping it will break. Alright, so it broke also because some outputs takes more than 0.5 seconds to show. Alright, so it didn't give us everything. Alright, so the way we could fix this, we'll have what's happening here. We see we have more outputs, but it's breaking out even. Okay, so we need to create a condition to let it go into the function again. So the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna create another function called just read output, okay, which take just the session. Also guys, please, if you could like and subscribe, that would be really helpful for the channel. And we could create it with a while loop actually also here, like under here, check if we're still getting output from this. But the way I'm gonna do it, let's do it recursively. So if we have output in the last couple of seconds, let's rerun the read net connection, and then here what we're gonna do is final out was equal, okay, and then print the final out. So hopefully we don't break that. Oh, and here actually we need to read out. Actually we could drop it directly here. Okay, sorry. I think it worked. Let's verify that's like it didn't work fine. Alright, so this is the show tech. This is all the outputs. Oh, that's pretty good, that's correct. Alright, so let's check one more thing just to see the time, how much time it's taking to execute. So yeah, this is a way to find how much time is this script taking to execute. I just want to compare our output with the actual output. Yeah, not bad. Actually, ours performed a little better. Alright, so this is the sendTiming command, and I'll see you in the next video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be really helpful. Thank you.